With these little tiny baby potbelly pigs. That's right, ready to put on a little more high-speed pig racing action for you. Now, this set of racers right here, race fans, they're coming to you right out of our nation's capital in Washington, D.C. Section number 1, racing for you out of lane 2, now in the blue. She's our former Speaker of the House. Please welcome Nancy Pelosi. All right, Section 1, there you are. Running for you, Section 2 out of lane 2 in the orange. He's running for the presidency. Please welcome former New Jersey Governor Chris Crispy Bacon. Tough crowd out there. Running for you, Section 2 out of lane 2 and now in the red. Please welcome Donald Trump Roast. Thank you so much. And race for you, Section 4 out of lane 2 as well in the black. Please welcome Sleepy Joe. All right, there we are, Section 4. They're ready to roll. Here comes race number 3. Y'all root them on. Last race of the day. Here we go. There they're going to put the number 3, number 4. It's number 2, that lead number 2, 3, 1, and 4, Charlie fast. Number 1, trying to catch up with the number 2 pig. They're coming around to 3, coming around to 4, to B. It will be number 2. Number 2, Barrena. Home on time. Well, come on over here, little lady. Yes, ma'am. Come right around this way.